In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall OneDrive on a Windows 10 computer. Whether you're experiencing technical issues or simply need a fresh start, reinstalling OneDrive can help ensure you're back on track with your cloud storage needs. Let's dive into this simple process, which should only take about 5 minutes. First things first, we need to uninstall the existing OneDrive app from your computer. Begin by opening the Start menu and selecting Settings. It's essential to start with this step to remove any potentially corrupted files and to clear the way for a clean installation. Once you're in Settings, click on the Apps section and then choose Apps and Features. This is where you'll find a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Click on it and you'll see an Uninstall button appear. Go ahead and click Uninstall to remove OneDrive from your computer. A confirmation box may pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the app. Confirm your decision and wait for the process to complete. Now that OneDrive is uninstalled, we'll move on to downloading the latest version of the app. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official OneDrive download page. This ensures you're getting the most recent and secure version of the software. On the download page, you should see a clear Download button. Click this button to download the OneDrive installer file. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. This is typically found in the File Explorer on Windows 10. With the file in sight, double-click it to run the installer. A setup wizard will launch to guide you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, approving any permissions or settings as needed. After the installation is complete, it's time to launch OneDrive. Head over to your Start menu and type OneDrive into the search bar. You should see the app appear in the search results. Click on it to open OneDrive. Now, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials to access your OneDrive files and settings. And there you have it. That's how you successfully reinstall OneDrive on your Windows 10 computer. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth experience with your cloud storage service once again. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.